Hello, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for stopping by. Today I created this eyeshadow look. If you want to see how I created this look, just keep on watching. Also, if you're not subscribed to my channel, do so by hitting that red button below. So let's continue on. So I try to zoom you guys in as much as possible so you can see what I'm doing here. The first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to go in with a soft ochre prolonger paint pot from MAC. And this is going to help me to prime my eyelids. So I'm going to put that on. And I'm just going to use my finger to blend it out. I feel like warming up the product with the finger works very good. I'm gonna do one eye because otherwise if I do the other eye, it's gonna take forever to finish. Then I'm gonna go in with my Smashbox contour palette and I'm gonna use that highlight shade to set that primer. Although it's a highlighting shade, it does not have any type of glitter, which is nice, and I use that to set my eyelid. And for today's look, I'm going to go in with the Modern Renaissance Anastasia palette. It is a beautiful, beautiful palette. Mine looks a little bit used because I've been using this for a long time. And I'm actually going to use the brush that it came with. I'm going to use the fluffy, the blending part. And for this, first I'm going to go in with golden ochre, which is this very goldish color right here. Apply that all over like my crease and upper area. And with these eyeshadows, you don't need a lot. You only need to tap like once in and then just make sure that you tap the excess and then just blend it out. I'm gonna go in wiper motions and then blending out at the end. And I have hooded eyes, so I have to blend a little bit up because otherwise you will not see it if I have my eyes open like normally. You can't see the eyeshadow. So I have to like blend up a little bit more. And then the next shade I'm going to go in with the burnt orange, which is the shade below golden ochre, the one that we used. So we're going to go in with that. We're going to go with that shade. And we're just going to get a little bit, tap the excess, and then we're just going to do the same thing as we did with the other color. And this is just to intensify it here. And then using the other end of the brush, I'm actually going to get this red ochre shade right here from the palette. And I'm just going to get a little bit of that. Just a little bit, tap the excess, and then I'm just going to apply it at the outer part of my eye, and then I'm just going to blend it out. So I'm going to apply it like this. I'm going to open my eye. I'm going to tap it in here. And I'm just going to build it up slowly because I don't want to add too much eyeshadow and then I won't be able to like blend this out. So I'm just going to add a little bit here. And the outer part towards going into the crease area. And I'm going to slowly build it up here. Add and tap. It might look crazy, but at the end it's going to work out. And then once we tap and add, we're going to switch the brush, go to the other end, and we're just going to blend that out slowly. Not slowly, but we're going to blend it out carefully. And we're not going to go all the way in. We're just going to stay on that area. So now that everything's blended out, well, I feel like I blended everything out. And then going back into the palette, I'm going to take the shade Primavera with my ring finger, and I'm going to apply that all over my lid, where in the inner corner of my lid, all the way to halfway where that reddish color meets. On top of Primavera, there's the Vermeer shadow. We're going to take that Vermeer shadow with our ring finger as well, and we're going to apply it on top of Primavera. And that's just going to combine a very good eyeshadow. go on top. Just a little bit. And you can see like it intensified. And again, like you could use a brush to apply this shadow, but I think these shadows work very good just using your finger. And if you want to intensify the eyeshadow, I think you could add Max Fix Plus or any setting spray to it, and it will look good. If you're satisfied with that, then I'm going to take the brush again, and then with the side where I applied the red ochre shade, I'm just going to make sure that these two shades are like blended in together. Because otherwise you're going to look crazy. Make sure they're blended. And I didn't get any product, I just used whatever I had. Go here. Yes. And then just to intensify the outer part, to intensify a little bit more of the red, I'm going to go back in with the red ochre. And I'm just going to apply, I'm going to dab, dab, dab. A little bit more. And then I'm just going to blend this out here. And then I'm going to use this BH Cosmetics brush. It's more like a flat brush. I'm going to take that golden ochre and burnt orange shades, and I'm going to put those underneath my eye. First, I'm going to go with the golden ochre, and always make sure to tap the excess. And then I'm going to take the red ochre as well, and I'm going to put that underneath my eye as well. But I'm just going to put this like right here in the outer part of my eye. And for my inner corner, I'm going to go in with this Vermeer shade, and I'm just going to take a pencil brush and apply that in my inner corner. Just a little bit. And for mascara, I'm going to be going in with the Elizabeth Arden mascara. This mascara has become one of my favorite mascaras because it has like a type of like a spoon that helps you out to curve out the eyelashes. And I found this mascara at TJ Maxx. It came in a pack of 3 and it was a great deal. And also, if you haven't seen my videos on TJ Maxx, go see them. So I finished my other eye, and this is how I came out. I really like this look. This is like my staple eye look that I go to every time. And I think the Anastasia Modern Renaissance palette is one of the best palettes. It's one of the best. For me personally, it is one of the best. And I really like how it came out, and I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Also, if you're not subscribed to my channel, do so by hitting that red button below. And yeah, and thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.